showcase. Let's celebrate the showcase of the world.
When Epcot opened in 1982, Disney characters, including Mickey and Minnie Mouse, were notably absent from the park. Instead, Epcot opened with original characters like Figment and Dreamfinder and the World Showcase dolls. However, the majority of these original characters did not catch on, particularly the World Showcase dolls, who were replaced by Disney characters wearing outfits reminiscent of the country they were meeting in. Additionally, Honey, I Shrunk the Audience opened in 1994, and in 1995, Circle of Life, an environmental fable, debuted at the Land Pavilion, which was a Lion King documentary. Despite this, present-day Epcot is being accused of becoming IPcot, with the addition of several intellectual property-based attractions replacing original Epcot ideas. The first major IP addition came in 2004, with Turtle Talk with Crush appearing in the Living Seas Pavilion. After its success, the Living Seas Pavilion would close in 2005, reopening as the Seas of Nemo and Friends in 2007. The updated pavilion now contained an Omnimover attraction based on the Pixar film Finding Nemo, whilst the pavilion itself featured several characters from the film in its aquatic exhibitions. Also in 2007, the World Showcase received its fair share of IP. Inside of the Mexico Pavilion, Grand Fiesta Tour starring the Three Caballeros replaced El Rio del Tiempo, which was largely similar but now featured Donald Duck, Jose, and Pachito exploring Mexico as they get ready for a concert at a mariachi party. Then in 2009, Kim Possible World Showcase Adventure debuted, later being replaced by the Agent P's World Showcase Adventure in 2012. The World Showcase Adventures allow guests to go on missions in the Mexico, Norway, China, Germany, Japan, France, and United Kingdom pavilions. Agent P closed in 2020 with a plan to be replaced by DuckTales at some point. The first controversial IP addition came when Maelstrom closed in 2014 in the Norway Pavilion. It was replaced in 2016 by Frozen Ever After, with a nearby Royal Summer House being added so guests could meet Anna and Elsa. While the attraction is a fan favourite, many criticised it for not focusing on Norwegian culture like Maelstrom did. Yet, as the setting of Arendelle in Frozen is based on Norwegian culture, Disney claimed that was how it linked to the Norway Pavilion. More recently, both Beauty and the Beast Sing-Along in 2020 and Remy's Ratatouille Adventure in 2021 opened in the France Pavilion, where guests are shrunken down to the size of a rat as they explore the kitchens of Paris. The same day that Remy's Ratatouille Adventure opened, the new nighttime spectacular Harmonious debuted, featuring music from several Disney movies sung by people from the countries that the film was set in, including Mulan, Hercules, Brave, and The Princess and the Frog. Meanwhile, at the front of the park, a major overhaul was taking place. The Universe of Energy Pavilion closed in 2017 to be replaced by Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind in 2022. This was Epcot's first roller coaster with a backwards launch and cars that could rotate. Again, people have complained that the attraction didn't fit the edutainment theme of Epcot, although the storyline for the attraction is that guests are entering the Wonders of Xandar Pavilion at Epcot, where they end up on an adventure with the Guardians. Finally, as part of Epcot's evolution, the Innoventions Pavilion closed in 2019 to make way for a festival stage and Journey of Water inspired by Moana. Once that opens in the near-distant future, Epcot will have 20 pavilions. Of those 20, the following pavilions will feature some kind of IP. The Living Seas featured Finding Nemo. The Mexico Pavilion featured the Three Caballeros. The Norway Pavilion featured Frozen. The France Pavilion featured Beauty and the Beast and Ratatouille. The Wonders of Xandar featured Guardians of the Galaxy. And Journey of Water will feature Moana, whilst Harmonious features several different films, and the World Showcase Adventure will feature DuckTales. So, only 6 pavilions in Epcot actually feature IP of any kind. So is Epcot really becoming IPcot or IPcot? Original pavilions still dominate at Epcot, so perhaps not. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below on what you want to see next on the Distory channel.